Welcome to my channel. Today I will make juicy tandoori chicken leg with easiest way and without creating mess. I take 4 chicken leg pieces and dip them in the water for 1 hour. It will help to release excess blood and chicken will remain soft inside after cooking. Take 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste. Red chili 1 teaspoon. Black pepper powder 1 teaspoon. Cumin powder ½ teaspoon. Coriander powder 1 tablespoon. Turmeric powder ½ teaspoon. Tandoori masala 2 tablespoon. Oil 1 tablespoon. 1 lemon juice. Mix all the ingredients all over the chicken and leave it overnight for best results. You can make this chicken in a pan on medium flame for 7 minutes each side. Or grill it into an oven at 200 degrees for 20 minutes. I will cook in air fryer at 200 degrees for 20 minutes. After 10 minutes turn the upside down and cook again for another 10 minutes. Cook it until golden brown color, otherwise chicken will become dry and hard. Our chicken is ready. The color is so perfect. Lightly crispy at outside, but very juicy and tender from inside. Serve with mint raita, fresh salad and naan. If you like my video and also new to the channel, please subscribe for more easy and delicious videos. Don't forget to like and comment. Thanks for watching.